In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring calendar events in Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up an event once and have Notion automatically create future copies for you on a schedule that you choose. Let's start inside your Notion calendar. First, create a new event the way you normally would. Look for the New button at the top of your calendar view. Go ahead and click on New, then give your event a clear title, like Weekly Team Meeting or Monthly Report Review. You can also fill in any other details your calendar database uses, such as date and time, tags, or assignees. Setting this up properly now will make all your future recurring copies much more useful. Once that event is created and you can see it as a card on your calendar, click into it to open the page. Inside that event page, look toward the top right corner for the three dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu with additional settings for this specific event. In that menu, you'll see an option called Duplicate Every. This is the key to making your event recurring. Click on Duplicate Every, and a small panel or list of options will appear. Here, Notion lets you choose how often you want this event to be duplicated. This might include options like every day, every week, every month, or other time intervals depending on your setup and what Notion supports at the time. Now take a moment to think about how often you actually want this event to repeat. For example, if you're scheduling a weekly meeting, choose a weekly interval starting from the date of your original event. If it's a monthly task, like paying bills or writing a report, choose the monthly option. Carefully select the option that matches your real schedule, because Notion will follow this pattern for each duplicate it creates. After you've made your selection, look for the Save button in that same panel. Click on Save to confirm your recurring settings. This step is important because until you save, Notion won't apply the recurring behavior. Once saved, your event is now set up as a recurring item, and Notion will automatically create new copies of this event at the interval you chose, keeping all the properties and structure from your original. That's all you need to do to create recurring